All right, fam, let's try some spiced turmeric latte. Baby, I think this is gonna be really good. You can add it with milk or water, and I'm choosing milk. I can't wait to get into it. So right here, I'm just gonna show you a little bit about what's going on here. Directions is pretty much you're using 2 teaspoons, and I've got my handy teaspoon right here. So we are good to go. And we're gonna have some spiced turmeric latte. Wow. Well, right off the bat, it smells good and it looks just like turmeric. So that is a plus. I'll show y'all what the powder looks like. Glass jar, which I like. It's very durable. I already took the liberty of warming up some milk. This is from me putting tons of crazy stuff in here, so it's not dirty. But I did warm up some milk already. All right. And this is pretty much like a little coffee cup or a tea mug. I probably shouldn't have put that much because I do have to froth it. It does say to froth. So let's go ahead and get our 2 teaspoons in. I think it's gonna be good. And y'all already know turmeric is good for numerous things. If you don't know already, it is looking good already. So I'm gonna go in with my frother very slowly because like I said, I filled this up and I probably shouldn't have. It's a little too high. Ooh, it's looking luscious, y'all. Let me take a sip just so I can bring it down some. It's good. It's spicy. It's not too spicy. Let me drink a little more. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. All right, we can't be crying on camera. I'm gonna need a tissue. Oh. So once you're done, it's nicely frothed and it looks really good and it's amazing. It tastes really good. It tastes like ginger and turmeric, honestly. Now, what I will say is make sure that you froth this really well because the powder will still be in it. Froth away and try some turmeric latte today, baby. Bon appetit.